Hi everyone, in this video I will be making some dinosaurs. I've wanted to make them for quite some time, but I finally found the time to do it. I made 3 different dinosaurs. Don't ask me which one they are, because I don't know a thing about dinosaurs. Transfer the shapes on your wood and then you can cut it out on the bandsaw. The front legs I'm cutting at the same time with double-sided tape, and I'll do the same for the back legs. Sand them smooth on this little belt sander. Drill a 6mm hole. The body also needs 6mm holes for the dowels. I'm always making my own dowels, so I still need to sand it until it fits in the hole. Sand the body of the dinosaur smooth. You can use all kind of different sanders, but you can also sand by hand, of course. As you can see, I drew a line in the middle, and now I can shape the head and the tail. I'm also rounding over all the edges on the belt sander. And of course, some hand sanding to do. Also round over the legs on the belt sander. Now you can glue the legs onto the body. You can also choose for being possible to twist the legs, but I think that's way less sturdy. This was the second dinosaur I made. The little belt sander comes in really handy. To give this body some more shape, I turn back to the bandsaw, but be careful and you need to hold your hands tight on the wood. Here I'm sanding away the bandsaw marks. Use a sanding stick to sand all these small parts. And again, assembly time for dino number 2. Sometimes it was really hard to assemble because you don't want the dowel to be too loose, so I needed to hammer it in a lot. With a wood burner, I'm giving my dinosaurs some eyes and a mouth. To give the dinosaur some color, I'm using Rubio Monocoat. It's an oil, so you can still see the wood grain popping through the color. But man, do I love this product. You just need to apply a thin coat and then let it sit for 15-20 minutes and wipe off the excess. With such a small bottle as I'm using, you can go a long run. This is dinosaur number 3. Let me know in the comments down below which dinosaur was your favorite. And I'll see you in December, and then prepare yourself for Christmas can begin. There will be one more video to announce the series. See you then, bye!